Yeah.
Okay, let him go. Let him go.
Poor Chomper.
Go up there, Chomper. Go up there, Chomper. Go up there, Chomper.
Do you know my cup of whip? No.
No. What the snickles?
What was that?
Come here. You have to go play. Chomper. Chomper. Get the toes off me, Daddy. Get the toes off me. Hi, dear Chomper.
Wow.
Woo. Chomper vision. Chomper. Oh, look at your toes. Look at those toes. Oh, love the baby. No, Chomper. Come here. Oh, he's talking. He's doing the bird talk. Whoa. That's too big for you, little son.
I'll get there.
He's all, I'll make it up there.
I'll get up there the easy way.
Get up there, son.
Try to outthink it.
Come on. Come on, baby. Get up to the see brother. Go see brother. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Woohoo.
I was like, get too small.
Yay! Good job. Good job. Oh, now you're king of the mountain, huh? I am on Proud Rock. Or Pride Rock, not Proud Rock. I am on Pride Rock. You can't defeat me, Scar. No, but I can, because I'm Mufasa. He's like, yeah, whatever, dude. What kind of catnip you smoking? Don't bite the fan. It's not eatable. Edible. Eatable. My vocabulary is just messed up.
You're not shocked, dude.
No, he won't get shocked. He'll just get a little on his tongue. Meowmers. Chomper. Chomper. Chomper, Chomper. Hi. Hi. My little babies. Aww. Chomper. Hey, baby. Alistar.
Seamus. Then I'm Oliver.
I know. First he was Seamus. Then Oliver. And Seamus Oliver. Now he's Chomper. Well, he's still Oliver. His nickname is Chomper, though.
And Hornswoggle.
Oh, yeah. It was first Seamus Hornswoggle. Alistar Silas. Kitty, 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 kitty. You got a baby brother now, huh? You got a baby brother? Whoa. Mommy can't hold a camera.
It's a son he never had.
I don't think he wants that kind of son.
Hmm?
Oh, I guess it's bath time. Feet and nards.
Yep, bad time for both of them.
Is this all you're gonna give me for the YouTubers? Is licking yourself?
Yep.
Alistar. Alistar. Num num num. You're so pretty. You're so pretty.
Honey, I'm trying to sleep.
I ain't doing it.
You got the light, so you're doing it.
He's trying to see where it's coming from now.
Now how do you make poor Chomper jump?
I am the king! Yeah, you think you are.
How did I get down now?
Alistar silent. Alistar. I am Simba. And I kick my Uncle Mufasa's ass. I am the king. The circle of life. Oh, hell with it.
Well, Fruta Matata.
No, it's a Kuna Matata, not a Fruna Matata.
No worries.
Oh, now he's gonna beat up his Uncle Scar. Move your feet, honey. The light's washing him out. That's nice. I see your fur. It's really pretty. Oh, that's not the best features of you. Can you move your tushy? Beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. Come here. Nope. Come here. Come here. Go back up there. Run. Good boy. Woo! You're fun. Yeah, Chomper. Woo! Look, 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 look. Oh, oh goodness. Oh, here, Hot Wheel. Vroom. Vroom. You know he's gonna get me back when I'm sleeping, right? No, Dad, don't hurt him. Huh? No, Mama loves her babies. Oh, I poked his eyeball. I'm so jolly. I'm so jolly. Chomper. I like when they lick their mouth before they bite you again. They're like, nah. Woo. Right? Say hi to YouTubers. Hey! You No! You are some viciousness going on. All the single ladies, all the single ladies. Put your hands up.
Does your son have voice note?
Not yet.
Okay.
Attack the camera, why don't ya?
Hey! My toe.
Chomper! Come on, Chomper! Ugh, I sneezed. 11 minutes of kitty cat. See, I am king of Pride Rock now, huh? Uncle! Uncle! No. Whoa. Whee. Whee. This is way off the reborn. No. I'm going to have to put this up. No. No. Oh, he just turned off. Go get brother. No. No. Not for you. Come on. There you go. Play with your mama. Woo. Woo. Are you tired? Don't bite. Don't bite the tablet. Don't bite mama's tablet. Yeah, this is my new reborn. Yeah, look at my new reborn baby. My reborn baby. Yes. He's a reborn kitten. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, just chew on mama. Ooh. He licks me before he chomps on me. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. He's trying to bite me. Here, face. Here you go. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh. You trying to talk? You talking to brother? He's doing that mouth thing that cats do when they see a bird or a bug or something. They go, no. Not safe. No. Not safe. He does this shunting sound like... There he goes. I wonder why he does that. No. Look at those pretty blue eyes. No. Chomper. Chomper. Okay. Mommy's gonna turn it off. It's almost 17 minutes with you. Say bye, Allie. Allie. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Squish the head. Quick, 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 quick. Squish the head. Quick, 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 quick. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle. Mwah. Mwah. Okay.